Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create your own version of Linktree with your website. So I wanted to create this because it's super trending to have a page like this, so you can send users, your followers, to the different offers pages of your website, to maybe send them to a lead magnet that you might have at the moment. I also have a page like this. If you go to my Instagram page, you're gonna see that I have a Linktree style landing page for the different things that I offer in my business. So it's pretty useful, and also for a person like me that knows how to create websites, sales funnels, and all these kind of things, it doesn't really make sense to have a program like Linktree. I see that it's like just a waste of money. You don't want to be paying a monthly fee for a program that only allow you to do one thing, that is a web page with links. So it doesn't make sense. You can do this with WordPress and Elementor, that is a page builder. You can do exactly the same thing and even more things, and you don't have to be paying a monthly fee for that. So if you want to do this, I want to show you step by step pretty easily how you can do it. So let's start this tutorial. Alright, guys, so the first thing that you need is a hosting service. So I recommend you Bluehost, because with Bluehost you automatically link your hosting service with WordPress, that is the website builder that we're going to use. And something that I like about Bluehost is that they give you a free domain name for 1 year. The hosting is pretty affordable, and yeah, this is the one that I use for my website and for my client's website as well, and that's why I recommend it to you. And also the support is pretty good, which is something really important you should be looking at. And besides that, you're also going to need Elementor. There are two versions of Elementor. There is the free version and there is the pro version. For this video, you're only gonna need the free one, but if you want to create something more amazing, and you can see here like animations, more advanced stuff like sales funnels, all these kind of things, I highly recommend you to get the pro version, because this program honestly is gonna save you a lot of money, because you won't have to buy different programs that just gonna help you do like a specific thing. But with Elementor you have like multiple functionality. This is something that I really like about it, and as you can see, it's pretty simple to use, a drag and drop system. So anyways, you need this one, and I also recommend you to get my free training, because in this video I'm gonna show you real quick how to create this Linktree alternative. But if you want a more step-by-step tutorial where I'm gonna show you how to get the web hosting, how to get Elementor and install it in your website, then I recommend you to get this training, and just click on it and see what I'm gonna teach you inside this training. It's pretty simple to follow, and yeah, I highly recommend you to get this one. And once you know how to create your website, sales funnels and everything, I also recommend you to get this one, that is the simplified Facebook ads training. This is just basically for you to learn how to use Facebook in case that you want to start attracting people into your Linktree alternative, into your website, because at the end of the day, if you're building something, it's because you want people to see it. So if you want to get this training, you have to go to jordanvelasquez.com/trainings, and you're gonna go to this same page. Anyways, the links to this training, to the programs, is gonna be in the description below as well, if you want to go check them out. Now let's dive into today's tutorial. I'm gonna close these tabs and let's dive into the video. So basically, I'm inside my WordPress dashboard. I'm gonna create a new page. We're gonna name these links, publish, and then we just click edit with Elementor. So you can see this is the default page, and what we're gonna do now is we're gonna click settings. As you can see, this small icon here, we're gonna go to page layout. We're gonna make sure that we have in Elementor canvas. Okay, we want an entire blank page. So what we can do here is we're gonna click the plus icon. We're gonna select the structure, and we want to choose the color we want for the background. We're going to go to style, and we're going to change the color. Let's try something. Okay, we can try something like this, guys. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put an image here. Let's say that we're gonna put the image here. We're gonna choose an image, and let's grab this one that I have already here. And okay, nice. So we're gonna choose here image size. We're gonna choose thumbnail. We're gonna go to style, and we're gonna go to border radius. So we wanna make this rounded. Let's put 800. It looks better. And the image width, I'm gonna do this 12. Okay. Now what we can do next is just put the name. So we're gonna name this like Simon Williams, something like that. We wanna center this. I'm gonna go to style. You can change the color however you want, guys. As you can see, I'm gonna use black. We can change the typography font. We have multiple fonts that you can choose from. Let's try Roboto. There we go. The size, let's try 40. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to replicate this section. Right click, duplicate. You can see it duplicate. Gonna delete this, delete, and I'm going to search for the bottom widget. Okay, I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna center this. You can put the name. Let's say that this is for the website. This is gonna be the website link. Put website, and you can put the link here. Let's put a link here. Let's say we wanna put Google link, and you just paste it here. Okay, simple as that. The bottom size you can change, medium, large, extra large, whatever you like. We're gonna stick with small. Okay. The style, you can always change the typography of the bottom letters, the text shadows, the background type. Let's change the background. You can see green. Let's see how it looks. Black. Okay, let's try black. The text color is white, but you can always change it here. You can change the border radius as well here. You can see it looks rounded. Let's keep it rounded. Okay, 25 is okay. Now let's go to content. We're gonna make this, we want to justify this. Okay, it looks like this, but I believe this is a little bit large, so we're gonna go to advanced, and we're gonna make this a little bit smaller. We're gonna put 50 left and 50 right, and it looks better like that. Okay, now what you can do is pretty simple. You just basically go and duplicate this. Okay, and what you can do here, let's say that you have a lead magnet for your business. Let's say that you are offering something like a free training on how to teach people how to lose weight, or whatever is the lead magnet that you want to give, a free sheet here, a free PDF, whatever. Now you can also duplicate this. Let's say that you are also offering like 30 minutes consultation call, something like that. Now as you can see, you have different links. Now we want to see how this look in mobile. You want to make sure that it looks good, and as you can see, it looks a little bit different. You have to fix this. So let's click here. We're gonna go to advanced, and we're gonna unlink the values. I'm gonna do the same here and here. There we have it. As you can see, it looks better. We want to make this a little bit bigger. 30 is okay. Simon Williams, wanna put a little bit smaller here. Okay, there we have it, guys. Looking good. Now we're gonna go back. Let's say that you want to put social icons to your social media pages. We can go to search for socials. There we have it, social icons. And there you have your icon. You can always change the color, the style of everything. You can put a link to your Facebook page, to your Twitter. You want to change it for Instagram, you can change for the Instagram icon. There you have it. YouTube, put the link here, put the official color, or just change the colors however you want. You can see here, can do a lot of stuff here, but I'm just gonna leave it like official colors. And there you have it, guys. Really simple. We're gonna make this a little bit we're gonna put some space below. In the bottom we're gonna put 200, okay, and we wanna create a little bit of space here. So we wanna put in the top 30. There we go. And as you can see, we want to create some space between the buttons and the social icons. So we're gonna go here and we want to search for the spacer. There we have it. So we're gonna leave it in 10, and there we go. Now we want to put this picture a little bit down. Let's click the section, okay, this section, padding. We want to put but in the top, we want to put 30. There we go. If we can see now, it looks great. I really like this style. And if you want to put these buttons a little bit like smaller in the sides, you can do what I showed you earlier. You can go to the bottom section, go to advanced, and just change the margins here, okay? But so far, for me, it looks good. Let's see how it looks in mobile, and it looks good in mobile as well. So that's how you can create your own Linktree alternative that is basically a landing page, honestly. Well, basically that's it, guys. That's how you can easily create your own version of Linktree. Now, if you want to learn how to use these programs correctly, remember to get my free training, jordanvelasquez.com/trainings, and get my website training. And besides that, guys, maybe you don't want to deal with this. Maybe you want us to do this for you, maybe create your own website, maybe create a specific landing page for a product or service. Then you can go to jordanvelasquez.com/website, and you're gonna find out the type of website we can create for you, what it includes, the benefits that you're gonna get when you start working with us, and much more, the prices and everything. So go ahead, go check it out. And basically that's it. I hope that you have found this video valuable, and make sure to comment if you have any question, like it so I can reach more people, and share it with someone that might need it. Okay, so without further ado, guys, see you in the next video.